everyone, it's Marky. Today let's talk about these out dog pads. These are amazing. If you have dogs, you know the accidents definitely happen, especially with puppies. These are the extra large size, so they're really good size. These are 24 by 26 inches. These are quilted with 5 layers, so it's really gonna help with any leaks. Also, it has odor control, so you're not gonna have your house smelling all gross when your puppy's potty training, or maybe you have a senior dog that just needs a little help. They also have dog attractant built in, so the dogs know where to go potty. They're going to smell it and know that's where they should go. Super easy to clean up. I just fold mine up and throw them away. They are super absorbent, so you're not gonna have stuff running everywhere. I also like to use these in my car. If I'm bringing my dogs in the car, I will throw these on the back seat so they can lay on them in case anything happens. And the good size really helps with that because it covers a lot of space. So if you have a puppy or maybe a senior dog or just an animal that kind of needs a little help with going potty in the back or in the house, I would highly recommend that you look into these. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.